Hey, what's up, everyone? I recently got this Arduino, and I'm going to try and start doing some electronic stuff, but I've never done anything like this before. First time ever doing anything with hardware or, like LEDs and capacitors, resistors, and all that stuff. So took it out of the pack when it arrived in the mail, and I wanted to try it doing something. So first thing I wanted to do was just get a LED to flash and decided to make a video about it. So here we go. Hope you enjoy. Hey, what do we got here?
How do you know it's an animatronic?
Well, I know that these have come from China. See the China Post thing on it?
Yeah, I know exactly.
And we got 1, 2, 3 of them. Now let's see what's in them. How do we open these things? Let's get a pair of scissors. I'm worried that if I cut somewhere wrong, I'm going to cut a hole in my thing. Let's just the LE shield. So to start off, you bring up the Arduino software, and I went to the examples, basic blink, and just opened up that file. And in this section here, it is explained at the top that most Arduinos have an LED on pin 13. So I'm doing the script is does a thing where it writes to pin 13 with the voltage high, which turns it on, and then it writes to pin 13 with the voltage low, which turns it off. And in between those, it delays for 1 second, which just makes it blink. So I'm going to copy this whole thing and put it into another file and make my own modifications to it, see if I can do something a little bit different. So I just copy and paste all that code into my own file, and then grab that section of code that does the work, copy it a couple of times, and change the delay so that it'll blink at a slightly delayed rate, 2 seconds in between. And I'm just commenting up the top what I'm doing. Turns on the LED for 1 second, then off for 1 second, then on for 2 seconds, off for 1 second, on for 2 seconds, and so on and so forth. And that's in a loop, so that'll go on forever. And I did actually run this thing for I think 36 hours. I left it plugged into my computer, so it just kept going. Sometimes you get a problem where you try to load the program onto the Arduino board and it won't work. So got some help from Ned, and he told me to check what COM port the Arduino is plugged into. And in this case it's plugged into COM port 12. So you need to check in the tools section that everything is set to the board that you have, in my case the Arduino Mega 250 2560, and make sure your COM port is correctly selected. Check this out, man.
Good job, Rob.